The xy plane align with equation 2y equals c for some constant c intersects the parabola at exactly 1 point. So this is actually going to be some very important information for later on. If the parabola has equation y equals negative 2x squared plus 9x, what is the value of c? So obviously the first step is going to be to solve this first equation for y, and we get 1/2 c. And then you're going to plug that in and set the two equations equal to each other. So you get 1/2 c equals negative 2x squared plus 9x. And subtract 1/2 c from both sides. So then you get 0 equals negative 2x squared plus 9x minus 1/2 c. Now from here is where a lot of people will get stuck. So the next step is going to actually use a different form of the negative b over 2a equation in one of the previous problems. So that is actually just a form of the discriminant, which is b squared minus 4ac. And coming back to this part in the beginning, we know that it intersects the parabola at exactly 1 point. So one special form of the, or one property of the discriminant is that if it is intersected at only 1 point, that means that this c value, so we know that this is going to be a vertical line, right? So you can just do 2y equals 5. Sorry, a horizontal line. Yeah, so 2y, so if we just plug in a random number, since we know c is a constant, so we know it's going to be a horizontal line, which means we're, again, going to be looking for somewhere where this parabola, which is going to be shaped like this in this case, we're going to be looking for the top or the bottom. In this case, it's going to be the top of the parabola. And there's only one way you can get a line going this way that hits it once, and that will be by finding the discriminant, or the negative b over 2a. However, since we are solving for c, we're going to use the original form, so that's b squared minus 4ac. And we know that it will be equal to 0 at the vertex. So we're just going to plug in our numbers. So we got b squared is going to be 81 minus 4 times 2 times negative 1/2 times c equals 0. So that gives us, if we move everything to the other side, well, this cancels out and becomes a positive. The 2 and 1/2 cancel out, and then that becomes a positive. So then you get 81 equals negative 4c. Oh, I forgot the negative there, so then it will stay negative actually here. So 81 minus 4c, so positive 4c, and then you'll divide both sides by 4, and that gives you 81 divided by 4 is 20.25. So that will be our final answer for this. And there is a way to check this. So if we do negative 2x squared plus 9x, and we have our equation 2y equals 20.25, we will see that all the way up here it does intersect at exactly that 1 point. I'm not sure if it's going to show it exactly, but right here, yes, 2.25. So that will be the value of c.